Hello world, this is Darren Martineau from the Team Freedom. Okay, in this video, I am going to explain to you about Book Ninja. This is a in-depth review on Book Ninja. What is Book Ninja? It's an incredible brand new software that is constantly being updated and improved, and you can build your Amazon. It will build Amazon books for you. What it will first do is it will analyze. It's a niche analyzer, so you will run an analysis here. You will choose the category. You can put in any category that you'd like in here. For example, I put in marketing just as a generic example here, and it comes up with the top 10 opportunities. And it uses 5 different incredible things on here. So it uses the trend, the demand, the competition, the staying power, the ecosystem. Now, this is absolutely incredible. The next step you will do is you will choose one of these topics here, and you will generate blueprint. So for an example here, I'll click this button right here for this email marketing example, okay? It's going to find the niche. Now what it's going to do is it's going to dive deeper into this niche to give you a competitive edge. Now as you can see, I have a choice here of these different things. So let's say I chose interactive email automation beyond the click. When I click this button right here, now look, I can go conversational. This has 9 different AIs in here. This is absolutely incredible. I can do professional, I can do conversational, I can do whichever one I want. So I'm just going to go with conversational. I'm going to click the blueprint, and this is going to create me the blueprint to make my book with 9 different AIs. This is absolutely incredible. Now, all I would do is I would just generate chapter by chapter right here, and I would just start creating this whole thing, and it doesn't take very long at all, literally within minutes. Now, I've already created several books here. Now, this is an incredible thing, this Book Ninja, and I've been crushing it. I already make a lot of money with Amazon. I make passive income. I don't want to say how much, but I will say within the next year, I will be a multimillionaire. That's not to brag or impress, but to impress upon you that I know what works. Okay, I absolutely know it works. I've been doing Amazon for many years and I've been profiting many years. Now, here's some of the books that I've created with this Book Ninja. Okay, I've got this the Globetrotter's iPhone, Master Travel Photography Without the Gear. Okay, I've got No Code ROI, which is how to build apps with no code. Cybersecurity. I've got AI powered SEO content. Real Riches, short form video affiliate marketing. This is a book that now all these were created with AI. This book was partially AI. So I'm just showing you some of these things. These were 100% AI. So I want to show you, I'm going to click on one of my books here and show you just as an example here, okay? This is the Globetrotter's iPhone Master Travel Photography. Now, as you can see how professional the covers are, this has a cover creator, okay? Once you create your book, just by clicking this button, now it gives you the SEO keywords, it gives you the Amazon categories, it does everything for you, literally. It creates your book. It's absolutely phenomenal. And what it will do is it also has a cover creator. All you do is put in your book details, your title, your subtitle, if you have one, author name, and then you select genre. You click this button and it will create you these stunning covers. So what I want to show you now is my bonuses. Now we'll go into my bonuses. So I hope you can understand how this software works. It selects the niche for you. It helps you find your niche. It gives you the top 10. It gives you the book blueprints. You click a button and it goes through with 9 different AIs and it will create your book. It's absolutely amazing, guys. It's called Book Ninja. It will create your cover, and then what you will do is you will upload it to Amazon, and it has full training. Now, as a special bonus, when you buy this through my link, I'm going to show you what I'm going to give you now at this time. This is an exclusive bonus that I put together for this because I'm so excited about this. And this bonus is valued at well over $505. Now, you want to take the upgrade. In order to get this bonus, you have to take the upgrade because it costs $17 in Book Ninja, but it's not going to give you everything, all the features that I was showing you. It will give you only some of them. If you want to get this incredible bonus that I'm going to show you now, you must upgrade to the $47 a month Book Ninja. Now, with that upgrade, you can create up to 50 books a month. Now, on Amazon, you can only upload 3 books a day. They have a rule, but every day I'll just go in and I'll upload 3 books. Now, this is what makes this incredible is you want to have the traffic and the